What's going on, y'all? It's Go Cardo Go back again. Gonna get that muffler delete on the Scat pack. Woo! About to make that real loud. A little more louder, quite a bit more. Woo. Quite a bit more louder. Stay tuned. Get that mid-muffler delete, make this bad boy a little louder. Whew. Oh yeah. Big time traffic behind us. I'm sure you guys are gonna close the door and all. Yeah, cool. I'll be around this way. Okay. All right, man. All right, guys, that's where I'm at here. Exhaust Pro, Winchester Road, Lexington, Kentucky. Go ahead and get the mid-muffler delete. Big shout out to them. They gave me a super duper price. So if y'all want to go ahead and get any exhaust work done, hit these guys up. There you go. Hit them up. Exhaust Pro. There you go. Let me stop moving around. Hit them up one time, Exhaust Pro. Again, I'm gonna put the information down here, or link in the description or something like that. Due to policies, of course, I can't be back there, and while they're doing the work. But I'm gonna go ahead and stay tight. You heard a little bit of the roar with the traffic in the back, but I'm gonna play a video clip of what it's like with everything stock, and then after we get this beast out, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like afterwards. In the meantime, stay tuned while I stay tuned. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so here's the new sound of the beast. Woo! Oh yeah. Like that. Like that sound. Oh yeah. Yes sir, you see it. That mid-muffler delete is a must, y'all. If y'all don't know already, please subscribe to Go Cardo Go. Hit that like, share, all that. Big shout out to No Limit Carter. Woo! Oh yeah. All right, y'all, we just got that done. Go Cardo Go. Oh man, I'm loving it. Let's hear what it sounds like from the inside when you start it up. About the same, a little good. I like it. Go ahead and turn around for you guys one time. I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, because a lot of people ask this about the mid-muffler delete. Once again, big shout out to Exhaust Pro and Winchester Road. I'm gonna put the information right about here. Yeah. Big shout out to them. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, anyways, like I was saying, in terms of what it sounds like on the inside when you're driving it with the mid-muffler delete. It's about the same as stock, to be honest. So doing this mid-muffler delete, well worth it. Here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh man, I'm loving that. Giving me chills like a little kid on Christmas Day. Hey. Make sure y'all get a mid-muffler delete. If you got a Hemi, you got a Scat pack or a Hellcat, get it. Get something done, because oh man, that sound makes it complete. Like, it sounds like it's on sport mode. Oh, that's another thing. Let me make another video to see what it sounds like on sport mode. Oh man, that's gonna be legendary. Make sure, again, you guys subscribe, like, share, all that to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm on those too. Big shout out to Exhaust Pro once again. Man, I love it. I love it. All right, so man, I want to hear more of this. I'm gonna do a lot more videos that let you guys hear what it sounds like on flybys and stuff like that. Man, this is amazing. I love it. It's that sound that I've been wanting. It's that Y'all hear it. But here we go again, another little pull.
It's music to my ears, man.
You hear that, man? Oh man.
Oh man.
That sound is amazing. Oh man, it sounds like what it sounded like when I first drove it. Boy, that sound is crazy loud. It's and I'm inside hearing it like that. I hope you guys hear what I'm hearing. But Lord, it's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. Oh man. I don't know where I was at with what I was saying, but that sound is a must. Again, if you have a V8, get a mid-muffler delete. Look at me messing up. Get a mid-muffler delete at the minimum. At the minimum. Because that sound itself is a must. That sound itself is a must. You hear my car roaring like the beast it is. It's roaring like it needs to be, man. Oh man. Well, yeah. That's it. That's the video. Y'all gonna hear a lot more of it. I know my neighbors and these people are gonna hear a lot more of it. But make sure again you follow Go Cardo Go, subscribe. I'm on the way. In the meantime, watch my other videos. Got more
Coming up. I got like 5 or 6 to 8 videos I need to finish up and wrap up for you guys. I know you guys have been rolling with me and rocking with me and
asking, so dearly, where are the videos at?
Go Cardo Go, what you doing? I'm working hard. I'm doing a lot of things. About to go out of the country in a little bit, but yeah.
We outie.
Stay tuned. Go Cardo Go. YouTube. Yeah.
All right, so as you can see, very quiet neighborhood. This is what it sounds like when you do a cold start. In the garage. And as you can hear, it kind of goes down, kind of evens out a little bit, gets a little more quiet.